everybody, it's David again. And me and this little bitty cute little girl. See? We're gonna scare Steven again. Yeah, it's gonna be a beast.
My brother.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Stop! Oh, rapist! That was teabag you. Stop, Steven! It's David! It's David! It's David! Stop! It's David!
David!
Stop!
David!
Oh, free! Oh! If you don't stop, I'll teabag you. Hey, squirrel. Hi, little rabbit squirrel. Oh, look, the balls are getting jiggy with it. Jiggy balls. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing.
Where did the cameraman go?
Right here.